This is the double bubble gumball machine. It has a little lever here and a little cap for putting in new gumballs. Also, it has a little place for the gumball to come out. To operate it, just swing the lever back this way and then go the other way. And here's a yellow gumball. Another one. Purple one. And here's a pink gumball. Underneath it, nothing. It's actually not coin operated. These gumballs are actually free, but there is a place to put some coins in if you'd like. There's the purple one, and here's a penny. And I have a orange gumball here. Where did the coins go? It's down here. To open, pry here. So I have to pry it open. Let's pry it open right here and see what we have. And there's our two little coins. A nickel and a penny. Put that back in the slot here. And there is a blue gumball. I'll put it back in the machine. The gumballs each have a different flavor. The orange tastes like orange and the red tastes like bubblegum. The flavor is actually in the shell, and that's the double bubble gumball machine.